Good day mga kabilyar, kamusta? Ilan ito sa mga highlight ni Efren sa laban nila ni Mike, Captain Hook, Sigel sa Grand Finals ng 2005 Pool Tour, King of the Hill Championship. Kung saan hindi man lang pinascore ni Efren ang kalaban sa unang set ng laro. Maganda at kabang-abang ang laban na ito noon dahil ito ang kauna-unahang may pinakamalaking prize sa panahon na iyon, na nagkakahalaga ng $200,000 ang mananalo. Maganda ang naging simula ni Efren at may pumasok sa kanyang sargo.
Including all the Hall of Famers, played round robin
Is absolutely can do things that I don't think I've ever seen before.
Certainly not on purpose. Oh!
Medyo inalat si Efren at napakapal ang kanyang tira.
Now, it's important that people at home know.
Agad din
And
namang
Mike takes
nakabalik
one.
si Efren dahil napanipos naman ang tira ni Captain Hook.
See if he
Kevin just-
moves.
Hindi na sinayang ni Efren ang pagkakataon at kinuha ang unang rack race to
As
A.
highly decorated and skilled as these players are, anybody
But of the jitters, once they get over that, the match is going to go fast. Look at that.
Fast forward tayo sa rack 7 pero panuulin niyo bawat last ball ni Efren mga kabilyar.
3-0 Reyes. 3 set. 5-0 Reyes.
Maneuver around that 10 ball. Again, nothing.
He's known as a shot maker, and there he is. He's known. He missed. Oh, almost missed that ball.
Sa rack 7 nakasimangot na ang kalaban mga kabilyar. Rack 8 na tayo medyo inalat si Efren sa sargo walang pumasok. Pero gaya ng first rack agad din nakabalik si Efren at hindi na sinayang ang pagkakataon pasok dito pasok doon.
He's going to shoot the low balls, solid balls in a row.
Certainly not in the last 10 years, because Mike really has been pretty much out of the game for the last 10 years. Not easy.
Well, it's perhaps in moments, but what does he need to do? Look, Efren Reyes is very. So first set, Efren Reyes.
Punta naman tayo sa huling rack ng pangalawang set kung saan umabot sa score na 7-5 at lamang si Efren. Panuulin natin kung paano kinabahan sa huling bola at paano nanalo si Efren sa laban na ito.
Fans responding to Efren Reyes. He's won this round over. Mike Sigel came here a favorite, certainly in his own mind. And a crowd favorite as well.
Salamat sa panunood mga kabilyar. Kung nagustuhan ninyo please like and subscribe. Salamat!